Yo. Yeah, we'll go home. I want to chuck it on a hoist because, yeah, if it's stripping ATF, I don't really want to catch on fire. Yeah. I'll just take the freeway back so it's nice and quick.
Yep, done deal.
Roger. Yeah. Power steering's leaking probably because I overpressurised it when I took it out of the garage and steering it and shit, I reckon. Oh, we'll go see what's going on. Don't really want to be an hour from home and be fucked or catch fire or whatever. Yeah, well, try to make some content, but here we are. Quick dash on the freeway. Get around quickly. See what the go is. Alright. One round, not in front. Alright. Verdict. Got it home. Wasn't steering fluid. It was coolant. The old heater hose is a bit old. Alright, let's go buy some new ones. Placed the hole up where I had it. Devastated. Yeah. The only day you plan to go for a cruise and no luck. Oh well. Fix her up, drive again. Goes on. Alright. So cheap fix this one. $6 clamps. Thank God. Bulbs of water pump fine. Internal pump, it's fine, it's not weeping. Just terrible hose clamps it comes with. Blowed all the coolant system again, get all the air out, took it for a burn. Still, yeah, just sweet. Good to go. Oh, since it's running, let's go for a drive. Try and get some proper footage. Stored as anything. There you get a few better recording gear, maybe some wind socks and everything else, and we'll slowly get there. The car's running. Still gonna do a final tune, so should be a week and a bit. A little time off work, so get some things sorted. Just keep driving around and yeah, iron out any teething issues. Good so far. Glad price of fuel's going up to like, yeah, $2.60 for 98. Super handy, but what do you do?